Hi all. The current movie looks after the removal of the duplicate rows from a data frame. Why should we even bother to understand the dropping of duplicate rows? To illustrate the same, let us consider an example of an e-commerce website. We want to target specific audience for a certain campaign. And now there is a mailing list that is having multiple duplicate values. In that case, various campaigns might go to a certain customer at same time. This thing for sure will question our accuracy and reliability, and also there's going to be a lot of data chaos. And ultimately, we believe understanding and removal of duplicate rows is important. Over here, post calling the pandas, we have curated dataset on our own. There are just two columns where we have put in some integers. If you will notice, index 0, row wise I'm talking about, index 0, 3 and 6 are exactly same. Also 1 and 5 are exactly same. So there are these rows which are having duplicate values. Here we want to look into all rows that are having duplicate values. So the syntax is pretty straightforward. Data is the name of the data frame dot location, and inside parentheses and just after comma it stands for column, before comma this stands for rows. So we want to look into all the duplicated rows. So here if you will notice, we are seeing 3, 5, 6. These are the row values, and basically 1 and 3, 1 and 3 we saw previously that it has occurred for the very first time at 0th position. So 0th position is still intact and we won't be able to see that. We are able to see this plus 2 and 2 also occurred at first row. So those two are intact in final data frame. Here we are having something that's going to get removed when we will look into the next syntax. So in the previous instance, we looked at what all rows are there which are having duplicate values. And this syntax, that is data is name of the data frame dot drop underscore duplicates parentheses. This we use to get rid of those rows. So here we are having the final data frame and we can see row number 1, that is 1 and 3, and second, that is 2 and 2. These two rows are intact and it will come as our final data frame. We believe to add some value to your existing knowledge. Thank you for watching. Please go through other videos in the playlist.